Unless you need something else.
Yabba dabba BevFluence.
Happy Halloween, everyone. Welcome to the BevFluence Content House. We are 2 out of the 4 Swig and Ramblers. So thank you for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah,
I'm excited for this one.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. So what are we making?
I'm doing a garden party gin.
Garden party for Halloween. Yeah, mofos, you can have gin during Halloween. It ain't going to kill you.
That's going to be awesome.
So let's start out with 2 ounces of gin. Right here into the little thing there.
This way? Just
pour it. It's fine.
going by
We should be measuring with a unit of measure called a jigger. There's 2 ounces on one side and 1 ounce on the other. They also make others that have different sizes. So we've got our gin in there. Next we are going to add our plum syrup. So this is going to give very luscious fruits, dark notes, and it's going to really help the essence of the gin and a lot of the spice notes come out of the gin. So tiny bit more than that.
All right.
Yeah, tiny bit more. Here we go. Perfect. So next, we're going to throw in a little citrus. So we're going to throw some lime juice in. This is lemon juice. So you can use lime, you can use lemon. Just a couple of little, tiny bit more. That's perfect. Right? This is going to help bring out those citrus notes, those orange peels. Maybe a little bit more of that cardamom from the gin. Push out those other esters. So next, we're going to use the grapefruit pamplemousse from Amoretti. There we go. Now this is going to give an amazing
really
color,
good.
and it's going to make it a very fun Halloweeny cocktail. So, all right, excellent.
All right.
So pop that back on.
Pop that on there.
Pop that on there, and then hold it very tight. Otherwise, I'm going to get splashed.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is a nice Halloween color. All right, I think she's shaking it up.
Yep. Tap that down so it doesn't spill out. There you go. These are really bad, by the way.
Yeah.
Don't buy these.
No.
So, all right. Now we have our pre-chilled glass. We're going to leave the ice in this one. Little fresh basil sprig. Go ahead and pour that in there. We will see you in 3 to 5 business days.
All right.
All right. And a lime wedge to finish it off.
I think that looks pretty nice. I'm excited.
Happy Halloween from us at Swig and Ramble.